how to fund your trading account. First, log into the client portal. Click on Financials and then on Deposit. Choose your preferred payment method to deposit. Remember that you will need to deposit your funds in your wallet first. Fill in the deposit information on the right, including your preferred currency and amount, and click Submit. Enter your payment details to complete checkout securely. You will receive an email once your transaction is processed. To start trading, you will need to transfer the funds back to your trading account. You can find Internal Transfer under Financials or in the Trading Account section in the dashboard. Select the wallet, trading account, enter the amount, and click Submit. Thank you for watching.